Good afternoon, everyone. We will begin with the most distinguished greeting to the General Caliph Serigne Mountakha Mbacké, the leader of the Mouridism Brotherhood, wishing him a very long life full of health, as well as Serigne Amdi Moud Mbenda Fall, General Caliph of the Baye Fall, and to Serigne Hamdatou Mbacké, leader of the Hassidas followers, mythical books. We are addressing to all Muslims, to all Mourids, particularly to all Hassidas followers, our sincere greeting on the name of daara Ëttu Waxtaane Borom Touba. This corporation, whose sole mission is to greeting the name of daara Ëttu Waxtaane Borom Touba. This corporation, whose sole mission is to relate the supremacy of the most eminent of the eminence and its divine privileges never equaled. I name Borom Touba Aji Magdi. We thank you for your great presence on this fifth general and annual meeting for the preparation of the reception of the month of Safar. It coincides with the departure of Borom Touba Aji Magdi, the unique words to save the humanity, because he said on his writing, Sababu ghaibatiya anna Allah arada an anala minhu jaha, wa an akuna shafi'an li qawmi, wa an akuna khadiman fi dawmi. Our presentation on our daara Ëttu Waxtaane Borom Touba will revolve on 3 points. Firstly, the origin of our daara. Secondly, the activities of our daara. Thirdly, the objective of our daara. Our daara was born on July 28, 2018, after from the merger of two groups, Ëttu Borom Touba and daara Waxtaane Borom Touba. Next, we will introduce you the activities of our daara. They are exclusively reserved on programs in which we only talk about Borom Touba and the welcome day of Safar's month. However, the programs in the daara happen on channels like WhatsApp, YouTube, TikTok, and Telegram, with different objectives that help Mourid believer to keep and increase his admiration for Serigne Touba Aji Magdi. The shows are each Saturday Jotaayu Waxtaane Borom Touba to speak about Borom Touba. Each Sunday Jotaayu Soxna yi reserves for the women of the daara. Each Monday Karamati Khattu Yadi, which speaks of the miracle of the Hassida mythical books. Every Tuesday, Talatay Mam Cheikh Ibrahima Fall, dedicated to Mam Cheikh Ibrahima Fall. Wednesday, Jotaayu Kennal Borom Touba, where we talk only about the singularity of Borom Touba Aji Magdi among all creators, inviting a singular wish of Borom Touba. Thursday, Jotaayu Mouridi, dedicated to the companion of Borom Touba. On Fridays, Jotaayu Mourid, in which we invite a Mourid to a debate to promote the knowledge between us. Jotaayu Ceydam, the monthly program that talks about the unlimited greatness of Borom Touba, as well as another program every fortnight called Neexidu Xasida yi, which we invite a Xasida singer. All these programs, to make the daara alive, are only used for the culmination of the great month of Safar. On the evening of the 29th day, Tamkharit's month of the Eid to Great Mosque of the Touba with the agreement of Serigne Mountakha Mbacké. In addition to that, we have a section in the daara responsible for teaching women to read the Hassida well and teaching them how a Mourid woman should behave. We are coming to our objectives. They are based on several aspects. We can quote, create daara to spread the teaching of Borom Touba Aji Magdi, gather the directives and advice from Borom Touba Aji Magdi in Wolof and other languages to make it universal, because he said, Nafa'ani wa bi yanfa'ul wara, wallahu yansuruni wal khalqu tatba'uni في البر والبحر ذا نفع بلا ضرر. Acquire materials in image and sounds for broadcasting in these programs and meetings mentioned below. To achieve our goals, we seek material and financial support from everyone. In the end, here are the clarifications we had to make in our daara. Here, everything begins on Borom Touba, the imminent, and ends on Borom Touba, the imminent. Remember that the daara had the agreement of Serigne Muntaha, who prayed and magnified the work while adding that his work is done for him. The daara opens his door to all believers, thus sing for living Borom Touba Aji Magji. For more information, you can join us on 7634999048 or 781289396 because ëttu bi yaatu na te suuf si nooy na waxtaane Bamba moo fi yel war na waa ëttu waxtaane Borom Touba ngi di wax ci mbaaxam gi di waaj màggal gi. Our last word, thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot. Borom Touba Aji Magji.